Good morning, dear students. Hope everyone is doing good. Welcome to the session. Dear students, kindly look at the screen. Now, I request everyone to find some differences between two pyramids. And if you can find any differences between these two pyramids, please do share with us. Yes, you can find some of the differences between these two pyramids. Now these two pyramids show the difference between healthy eating style and junk food eating style. But you tell me one thing, why do people don't follow to take healthy food in day-to-day life to get nutrients, proteins, fiber and whatnot? And why most of people, especially college students, follow or tend to eat junk food, which is obviously not good for health? Now, as you are engineering students, you should tell me, why are we addicted, especially I'm using this word addicted, to every time go to canteen, to every time go to restaurant, to every time go to some food centers which cook food instantly and serve you. The instant cooking foods are all not good for health. In this session, we are going to discuss about the healthy food, the healthy diet food, the healthy food style. Basically, eating well is fundamental to good health and well-being physically and mentally. Healthy eating helps us to maintain a healthy weight and reduce our risk of taking some diseases. Why is eating well is important in our life? We are eating, but do we really aware of the food we eat is healthy? And healthy means to just not to feel hungry. And you should know the meaning of all these. So, why is eating well food or good food important in our life? Healthy eating has many other benefits. It has many benefits. When we eat well, we sleep better, we get good energy, we can have nutrient production in our body to do any work even. So the consequences of all these make us to concentrate on the work we do. These all add to have healthier and happier life. Healthy eating should be an enjoyable social experience. When children and young people eat and drink well, they get all the essential energy, nutrients, fiber, whatnot they need for proper growth and development in social and economical. And by this, I can tell you to maintain good health, good relationship with food, and make eating good food as the style in your day-to-day life. Remember, dear students, I'm not talking about to have a proper body. To have a proper body, we need to eat a proper food. No. You don't have to look fat, thin, bony, or muscular or something by eating particular diet. To maintain proper health, you need to eat a few types of foods. We are talking about that. We are not talking about body shaming or other shameful thing if you are fat. What if you are fat? You are eating healthy food. When you're eating healthy food, make sure when you're taking much proteins, calories and nutrients, fiber or something, make sure by this you are going to burn them too. At this generation, most of people, most of families can able to eat proper food. The problem with city lifestyle is we are addicted to junk food, or addicted to fast food, or addicted to instant food, or addicted to, because we don't have time and we are eating something. Due to that, weight gaining. Due to that, health issues. Why do we get health issues? If you are eating healthy food. Though you are eating healthy food, are you unable to do some exercise, which means to burn the calories you gain, you get health problems too. We are focusing on it. Your fat doesn't mean you are eating unhealthy food. You are eating healthy food, but you are not burning it well. You're doing exercise in the morning, yogas, working out. It is some floor movements where you can't feel you are putting weight up. Now, it has become a trend to have a zero body size. That is not the thing that we are focusing on. Dear students, so what do you think is healthy food or healthy eating? Healthy eating is not about cutting out our food timings, eating less food or something, but it is about eating a wide variety of foods in the right amount to give your body what exactly it needs. There are no single foods you must eat or you avoid to maintain a proper healthy lifestyle. You just need to make sure you get the right balance of different foods. Healthy eating for children and young people, adults, should always include a range of interesting and tasty food that can make up a healthy, varied and balanced diet, rather than denying them certain foods and drinks. Although all the foods you eat can be included or can be called as your healthy diet. Remember one thing, students, by my personal experience I'm giving you, taking this platform. If you are trying to run behind a tasty food, forget about your health. You are young and you don't have to think about your health. But the time when you cross 30 or 40, you should be very chosen, or you should be very careful what you eat. What you eat makes what is your health tomorrow. Today you are fit, but tomorrow what makes you your future? Because you have a long life. So choose everything wisely. Okay, dear students, this could be your healthy diet. From the morning you wake up to the night you go to the bed. Let me remind you, not every person's family has a financial freedom or equal to other family. If you are rich, you eat good food. If you are poor, you eat whatever is there. Remember, no matter what is your economical status or what is your background and religious or anything, to have a proper fit body, healthy body, you need to follow a certain diet. Diet in the sense, do not assume or take wrong assumption by saying, oh, diet is only the plan followed by famous, popular celebrities, actors and actresses. No. You can also follow it. Diet is to everyone. But diet is not as equivalent as you go do gym. It is not that. That is something you eat, chosen. That is good for health in the morning. You eat it. That is good for health in the lunch. You eat it. That is good for health, good for your body. You eat in the evening. See, someone told I have to eat 3 times in a day. You can eat 6 times, 10 times, 19 times in a day. But the amount of food you take is what makes you to eat time-wise. You can eat once in a day. you can eat 10 times in a day. When you're eating 10 times in a day, you're going to consume food, less amount of food. If you're eating once in a day, you are going to consume much food. That's the only difference. Okay, dear students, the lesson that we are going to discuss is, I'll discuss in the next video. So dear students, please stay tuned. Thank you.